So we're going to look at searching the internet, more specifically searching Google more effectively. So if I'm going to look for information on the internet, say I'm looking for primary school assessment, I've got a range of different resources here from different places. But it might be I need to pinpoint something from a particular place, so I can do that more effectively rather than scrolling through lots of pages, is to look in the settings and look at the advanced search. Now, we've got the various options here, all of which in different ways explain the and, or, and not, and phrase searching. So I'm going to take primary school out of that particular line there and put it in as the phrase, this exact word or phrase. And I'm going to keep assessment there because I want that word. I'm also going to think about where I want to find the information from. So if I want something from the government, I might want to restrict the sites that I look at to be a .gov.uk. If I wanted to look something from a university, it might be .ac.uk, or if it was a organisation or a charity, it might be a .org. So if I put in .gov.uk, I can do that. Click on Advanced Search, and you can see here that the search has changed. And again, the top measure there is the primary assessment in England. Now I might want to scroll down. I mean, that's the date there is 2017. Might have a look at this particular document here and scroll through. Might go back and look at the rest of the information there. You can also filter your search by, if I go back to the advanced search, you can also look at the file type. And there's a list here, so it might be that if you're looking for a particular document, you might want a PDF document, or if you were looking for a PowerPoint on a particular topic, you might choose the PowerPoint option. The other thing that you can do is look at when they were last updated. So that will again help you with most recent material. It's not quite as sophisticated as using a date range, but it does give you a little bit more help in finding up-to-date information. So that was when it was last updated. And again, if we change that and play the search again, we'll get a different set of documents here. So this is now dated 2019. We might look at this one here. So there's various different information that you can filter through and look at. So I hope that helps with searching the internet a little bit more effectively by using Google's advanced search features. So if you have any questions, you can chat to us using Library Talk. We're available 24/7, or you can drop us an email and we can help. Good luck with your searching.